Hello, this is Antrina and welcome to my channel. Today we are covering part 2 of the biryani making, and here you see the rice being soaked, washed, and it's kept for several hours. A pot of boiling water. To it we add salt and sugar. Then we have ginger, garlic, onion, caramelized onion, and green chilies added to it. Then we add spices. I'll add that in the description. And we have bay, cinnamon, and Iranian cardamom. It's soaked, washed, and added to the mix. And you have to stir it. Black pepper has been added to the biryani spice, so additional black pepper has not been added in powder, but in whole you will find a few corns. Lime, just 1 ounce. We are actually cooking 1.5 kilos of rice here, but we will make the biryani for 500 grams, and if it's a mutton, then we use a little less rice. This is stone flour, and black stone flour is used for flavoring basmati rice, especially in biryani making. And this is the washed rice, undrained. This will be added to the water, and the water has to be boiling because we will just keep this rice immersed just for around 4 to 5 minutes, because exceeding this time will make the rice soggy. After the 4 to 5 minutes has elapsed, you will have to get it strained ASAP and spread this out on a tray, on a flat tray, or you can add foils on your table, foil sheets on your table, and spread the rice out. And the main intention is to cool the rice and let it stand for a few minutes before adding this to your meat. But before you do that, it's best to remove the spices that are whole. For example, cinnamon sticks, lime wedges, bay leaves, green peppers, and spices that are an inconvenience with regards to serving and enjoying the meal itself. At this stage and at this point, you can add saffron milk, and you can flavor it also with rose water and screw pine leaves, which is called pangdang leaves. Yes, these are the spices that you need to remove and let the rice cool, and you will know the rice is it's come to its perfect state is when you make a morsel and drop it upon a plate. No two grains stick together. But prior to that, you will at this stage you'll find the rice fluffy and um, it's very grainy. This is the saffron milk, saffron and the milk, which will be turned into saffron milk. You can add this. If you don't have this, you can add color, that's Foster's food color, or any other food grade color should suffice. So this is added at this stage and during the sealing stage. Now what you see is the rice prepared and color toned for its texture, and also don't forget to get these spices away prior to serving. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the part 3 of the biryani making. It's been quite a journey and a learning experience, and I can assure you it's not difficult. Once you try it, it gets very easy. Thanks.